Get my gloves on. Listen to that baby purr. That's what I'm talking about. You know, I don't understand why the bike shops ain't open on freaking Mondays, man. I feel like Mondays and Sundays. Sundays I understand. The Mondays thing not so much because I feel like everybody's off on the weekend. So why wouldn't you be open, you know? What's up, everybody? 2GK-MOTO back here. I got my stealth mirrors on. I'm actually pretty happy with them. I do feel as if, though, maybe I should have ordered the small ones. Instead I ordered the large ones. I'm not sure how I feel about them. I may very well have to renegotiate with Amazon and see what they can do about getting me the small pair. If I have to, I can pay for them. I mean, it's not that big a deal. I mean, worst case scenario, I just sell these ones on Facebook or something. But I mean, so far they seem like they're all right. I used them. You can see out of them a little bit. Not, you know, maybe not the best, but you can definitely see out of them. Them. It's cool that you can pick them up and fold them away. I think that's pretty cool, because I definitely can tell you this, I don't like not knowing whether someone's gonna smash into me or not, so there's that. And I feel like it gives me the opportunity to speed up or whatever I gotta do to be able to push forward. So that's a good thing. What are these guys doing, man? These guys are actually moving on this side. Not that side, not that side. I might find some mirror blockers or something and just go with that, or like I said, get smaller ones, because I don't think I like these big ones on here. I think they're too large. They're way too big. Yeah, these mirrors are not, these are not doing it for me. Just a heads up, they're just not. Don't get me wrong, I mean, I just feel like they're too large. They're too big. If they weren't as big and they were about this short, they'd probably be cool, but the fact that they're that long, it's just way too big. I don't like them, so I will let you know what I did. I ordered some OEM mirrors for the bike. I ordered some OEM mirrors, and I ordered something else too. I just don't know what it is. I forgot what it was.